Michaela is going to be attending the STEM Career Fair at John Carroll University next week. She knows she wants to talk with employers who have job openings for mathematics majors. In order to prepare, she goes on Handshake to see what employers are registered for the fair. She notices that Insight to Profit, Progressive Insurance, Steris Corporation, and Trimble Transportation are all attending the fair and recruiting mathematics majors. She looks to see what staff members are listed on their posting and also looks those staff members up on the company's website to learn more about them. Michaela takes notes on the companies she wants to talk to, the representatives that will be at the fair, and checks their website for any current job openings. Michaela also knows she should have an updated resume ready to give to the employers and should prepare what she is going to say when she is introducing herself. To do this, she makes an appointment with the Center for Career Services to get her resume review and to talk about how to approach employers at the fair. After her appointment, Michaela makes the changes to her resume that the career advisor suggested and starts writing down some notes on what she will say when she is introducing herself. I should tell them what my major is, what year I am at JCU, that I held an internship in the mathematics department analyzing large data sets, and that I am looking for a full-time position related to my major when I graduate in May. It is the day of the STEM fair, and Michaela is a bit nervous, but feels ready because she has prepared. She puts on her suit and heads over to the Dolan Science Center. Once in Dolan, she checks in with the career services staff and looks over the map to locate the companies she is interested in speaking with. She has already prioritized the companies, so she starts with her top choice, Progressive Insurance. Because of Michaela's preparation, she knows Progressive currently has a job posted for an operations research analyst, which she feels she is a great fit for. Michaela walks over to the Progressive table, shakes their hand, and starts introducing herself to the recruiter. Hi, Mr. Dowd. I am Michaela Hunt. I am currently a senior here at John Carroll and majoring in mathematics.
Hi, Michaela. It is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. I see you have a job posted for an operations research analyst. These past 2 years, I have been interning with the mathematics department at JCU, helping other students analyze the research data in order to write reports on their research. I find this work enjoyable and would like to continue to do this type of work once I graduate. Can you tell me a little bit more about the operations research analyst position? The recruiter gives Michaela more information regarding the position and asks for a copy of her resume. Michaela asks the recruiter for their business card, shakes their hand, and thanks them for their time. She then walks away and takes a step back to reset herself, jot down any notes from her conversation with the recruiter from Progressive, and reviews her notes on the next company before going to visit them. After speaking to all the companies she wanted to, Michaela immediately goes to write the recruiters she talked to follow-up emails to thank them for their time and remind them of her background. Michaela makes a note to herself to check out the jobs that the recruiters mentioned they have open and apply to the ones that interest her within the week.